Are you looking for the best retractable ceiling fans? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best retractable ceiling fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ZMISHIBO Low Profile Ceiling Fan. The ZMISHIBO ceiling fan offers a blend of modern design and functionality for your home. With its energy-efficient LED light, you can adjust the brightness from 10% to 100% and choose between 3 color temperatures, creating the perfect ambience for any room. The convenience of remote and app control allows you to customize fan speed and lighting from anywhere. Enjoy year-round comfort with its reversible motor, providing cool airflow in the summer and warm airflow in the winter. Its enclosed design makes it safe for families, especially in spaces with low ceilings, ensuring everyone can enjoy a comfortable environment. What we like: adjustable light temperature, strong, quiet airflow, easy installation, remote and app control, sleek low-profile design. Number 2. Amico 42-inch ceiling fan with light. The Amico ceiling fan offers a blend of comfort and style for your home. With its integrated light, it not only cools your space but also serves as an attractive decor piece. You can easily control it with a remote, enjoying 6 speed settings and customizable light options for various moods. Its low-profile design makes it perfect for smaller rooms, while the noise-free operation ensures a peaceful environment, ideal for light sleepers or families with young children. Experience comfort in every season with its reversible motor for year-round use. What we like: easy installation, quiet operation, efficient airflow, convenient remote control, dimmable, bright lighting. Number 3. ZMISHIBO 52-inch ceiling fan with light and remote. The ZMISHIBO 52-inch fan is designed to cool and brighten large rooms like your living room or bedroom with its powerful airflow and bright 20W LED light. You can easily control the fan and light using the app or remote, giving you convenient access right from your phone or couch. The light's color and brightness are adjustable, so you can set the perfect mood from warm to cool tones. Plus, the fan runs quietly, letting you relax or sleep without noise distractions while still enjoying a refreshing breeze. What we like: easy installation, powerful air circulation, adjustable lighting modes, quiet operation, user-friendly remote control. Number 4. Addlon 42-inch ceiling fan with lights. The Addlon ceiling fan offers a stylish solution to enhance your comfort at home. With its built-in light, you can enjoy both illumination and airflow, making it perfect for any room. The remote control feature allows you to easily adjust the fan speed and set a timer, providing ultimate convenience. Enjoy peaceful nights with a whisper-quiet operation, ensuring a restful sleep environment. Additionally, the fan's reversible motor helps circulate warm air in winter and cool air in summer, adapting to your seasonal needs. What we like: quiet operation, easy installation, user-friendly remote, multiple lighting options, strong airflow. Number 5. Addlon 20-foot low-profile ceiling fan with light and remote. The Addlon low-profile fan offers versatile lighting options that let you adjust brightness from 10% to 100% and choose between warm, natural, or cold white light. This makes it easy to create the perfect atmosphere, whether you're relaxing or focusing on tasks. You can control the fan and light using a remote or app, including setting timers and adjusting speeds, adding convenience to your daily routine. The fan is simple to install with a modular design that fits low ceilings safely and efficiently. Plus, its reversible DC motor provides customizable airflow for comfort all year round, keeping you cool in summer and warm in winter. What we like: easy installation, adjustable light brightness and color, strong airflow for small spaces, quiet operation, remote and app control.